Okay guys, so I'm making a peplum top, and this one I want it to be a little stiffer. So you can see I'm making the puff sleeves here guys, but I add an interfacing up here so that it can be a little bit puffy, if you can see the material. So when I make these shirt that ties, this is what I do. I cut it all out at once. One piece, well, you know, two pieces. So front and back, and that's the back. Right there, that's the peplum right there that's going to go on. I got interfacing on there, and those is the puff sleeves. So I am extremely in love with these tops. So when I make the tops, I don't cut the ties last. I cut it all at once. So if that makes sense to anybody that want to make these peplum shirts that tie, this is what I did. Thank you guys. I'm going to put it together. Okay guys, this is the finishing result. So I will wear this as a top, and if you want to put more hook and eyes or whatever, and if you see, I finished it off with little pleats, and I am in love with the puff sleeves. I'm truly in love with the puff sleeves, and I put the little interfacing on the back of the peplum. But I am truly in love, love, love with these tops. So I will also wear my brown leather boots when I wear this top. So this is what it turned out like. So, and the first video, it shows you how I achieved this, what parts and pieces I used. And I did the puff sleeves, and I did the little ruffles going around here. And that's how I did it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay guys, here are a couple of screenshots. So yes, I love these type of tops. Will be my favorite thing. Only difference is I added some ruffles up around the neck and going around the back. So happy sewing. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks so much for watching. As always, God bless. Bye bye.